Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk through how ZoomInfo deeply integrates with Microsoft Dynamics. Let's start with advanced search. On the left-hand side, you'll see filters for contacts and companies, and you'll also see our Dynamics filters. These are based off of our import functionality, which allows a customer to import their Dynamics accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities directly into ZoomInfo so they can see their Dynamics data alongside ZoomInfo data. Let's drill into these filters. Let's say I'm looking to see all the accounts owned by a particular rep, Aaron Phillips, and I want to find all the net new contacts in his owned accounts, only contacts that don't already exist within my Dynamics instance. To do that, I'll use our exclusion filters. I'll then layer on additional ZoomInfo filters like management level. So now I'm seeing a curated list of all contacts within the accounts owned by Aaron that don't already exist within my Dynamics instance. Now I can export this full list or a subset of it directly into my Dynamics instance. For this particular example, I'm just going to go ahead and export one record. I can export these records as a contact or a lead. Once that export completes, you'll see a notification in the bottom left with a URL link that brings me directly to the record in Dynamics. You'll now see that full profile directly in Microsoft Dynamics. This is always going to be based off of the ZoomInfo mapping that the admin has set up so that it always includes the data points that are most important to your business. ZoomInfo also works directly within Microsoft Dynamics using our Google Chrome extension. Let's open this up. You're now seeing a full profile of what exists within ZoomInfo and what exists within Dynamics. The Chrome extension is very powerful here because it makes sure that your records are up to date. I can expand this menu and you can see that this Dynamics record is up to date because we just created this from ZoomInfo. But let's say this is missing the title. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the title. I'll save this and refresh the page. I'll go back to the Chrome extension. And when I go to the Dynamics menu, I can see that this record is out of date and it's missing the job title. From here, I can go ahead and update that record, and then I'll refresh the page. You'll see the job title is now included on this profile in Dynamics. This works for any of the fields that you have included in your ZoomInfo mapping to make sure that those records and those fields are always up to date. Another way to ensure that your records are always up to date in Dynamics is through our enrich product. Whether it's our scheduled or instant enrich, this is a way that you can automatically update your records that exist within your Dynamics instance. Scheduled enrich allows you to update your entire database daily or weekly, and instant enrich allows you to update records as they're coming into Dynamics. Let's show you instant enrich. I'm going to go ahead and create a new lead with only a subset of data like email, first name, and last name. I'll save this record, which will refresh the page. And now Instant Enrich has run and you can see the completed profile based off of the ZoomInfo data. And now includes things like title, firmographic details, and contact details. Now let's pop over to LinkedIn. ZoomInfo works seamlessly alongside LinkedIn within our Chrome extension as well. We can pop open the Chrome extension and you can see a list of results based off of what you see on your LinkedIn page. If you're prospecting here and you find a list of records, you can always open the ZoomInfo Chrome extension and see those exact profiles that we have in ZoomInfo. You can also drill further down here. So let's say I want to see Zach Hirsch's profile. Now you can see Zach Hirsch's information right next to his LinkedIn profile. We have some additional details here. For example, whether they're in the CRM already. This is a great feedback mechanism for your users to know if this record already exists within Dynamics. From here, you can export this record to Dynamics, and you can always be confident that you're not creating duplicates. We've built duplicate matching right into our export functionality to make sure you are never creating duplicate records. So that's ZoomInfo and Microsoft Dynamics working together. We can't wait to see how your team uses the integration and what you're able to do with it next. Thank you.